So it's time for another video, and it's another one of those gaming PC builds from TechDroids. Right, so hey guys, this is Yusuf here from TechDroids, and welcome to the $600 gaming PC build for the month of September 2016. Now it's gonna be October in a few days, but still I wanted to make this video in September, upload it. It was right on my radar, AMD build, it was on my radar, but got a little bit late in exams and stuff. So without any further ado, before I start this video, I have to tell something to you. Thank you for 100 freaking YouTube subscribers. It's awesome, guys. The incredible amount of support that you have been giving me on my videos, it's just unbelievable. And my videos have been going like seriously good nowadays. Like the past 2 months have been a cracker for me, and I would like to thank you guys for that, and I appreciate every bit of it, like every like, every comment, every dislike, and all the constructive criticism that you give. Now let's try to hit 150 subscribers by the end of 2017. That's the goal. Sorry, end of 2016. That's the goal for this year right now. Either 150 or 200 subscribers. And without any further ado, let's get started with the $600 gaming PC build. For the CPU, I went with the AMD FX 8320. It's an octa-core CPU clocked at 3.5 GHz on the base and 4 GHz on the AMD overdrive. Cost $137, has 8 MB of cache, and is of the AM3 Plus socket. And this is equivalent to an i5 6600K, so you know that CPU, how good it performs. So this can play any game in 4K and get you some good frame rates if coupled with a good GPU. Now to house that CPU, I went with the Asus M5 A97 R2.0 AM3 Plus motherboard. Supports USB 3, SATA 6 GB per second, and it's an ATX motherboard. Costs $79 and is of really good quality as it's from Asus. Will get updates and stuff really quick, and is one of the greatest motherboards for the AMD CPU right there. Now for the RAM, I went with Kingston HyperX Fury RAM. It's 16 GB 8x2, and it's DDR3 of 1866 MHz. Would do the job. 16 GB is more than enough for anything right now on the market. Anything you want to do, gaming, video editing, and some 3D rendering and stuff. So you would be happy with this 16 gig of RAM. And for the power supply, I went with the EVGA 500 watt 80 plus certified power supply. Cost $37, and can't say anything about this beast. It would power anything in this PC, anything you throw at it. For primary storage, I went with the WD Blue 1TB hard drive. As always, 7200 RPM, 6 GB per second SATA, and $49.99 is the price. Never changes, never goes down, never goes up. And for the cooler, I went with the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. Now this is a really good cooler, one of the best budget coolers for your CPU. Does the job of cooling your CPU and keeping it quiet. And AMD CPUs like try to freak out a little bit, like try to heat a little bit under load. This would keep them in control and keep your PC experience a little better. Now for the case, I went with the Corsair Carbide 100R. Now this is of the Carbide series. It has a clear side plate, and the Carbide series has been it has been a trademark in the PC cases industry. It is a minimal case, like material design, and does the job for you. Looks good, has plenty of space for your parts, and has space for cable management. Supports USB 3.0 and has I/O at the front, so everything's accessible, everything's really good with this case. Looks amazing. Costs only $49. And with that being said, let's get to the graphic card. For the graphic card, I went with the Asus Strix. For the graphic card, I went with the Asus Strix Radeon R7 370 overclocked graphic card. Gets you 2 GB of DDR5 memory, 256-bit memory interface, HDMI, DVI and DisplayPort. 2 GB is enough for any game. It's of the DDR5 quality, so will get you any game in 4K in even Quad HD, and you can do 1080p at multiple monitors at like decent frame rates. And it costs only $160 and rounds off our budget at $600 for this PC. Now the graphic card was not for just the rounding off budget. After mail-in rebates, the PC comes to $600 exact. Now this is one of those PCs that will get you the sweet spot for gaming, editing and 3D rendering. You can do anything you throw at it, smokes every game in the market for all the modern AAA title. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then give this video a massive thumbs up from your side. Comment down below in the comment section, like how would you suggest me to improve my videos. If you have any feedback, let me know. I'm always open. Hit me up on Twitter, follow me on Twitter, links all in the description, and let's try to reach 10 likes on this video and 150 subscribers by the end of this year. This is Yusuf Vlad from TechDroids and I'm signing out. You guys have a great day. Bye bye now.